back to Creative Minds Lab. In today's SQL question discussion, we'll solve one of the most common and interesting SQL interview question today. So our question is, how do we split a combined string? Like suppose the string is like Mumbai as well as some like alphabet and some numeric number is there, and we need to split it. So simply here like the Mumbai and some numeric number 40001 is there, and we need to split it into city and pin code. Like here is our input table is city data, and our column is like city pin code, and here having the data is like something the data you can see Mumbai, Delhi basis, and some the pin code basis number also it was like joined combined together. Okay, so we just wanted to split those numbers, and we our expected output will be like this. So already I created the table. You can see here the table data here. Okay, so you can see our based on that input table, here we can see city name and pin code are joined together in one column. So our goal is to separate them into two columns, city and pin code. Okay, so I already wrote the query by using the regular expression underscore substring, because this is the method one I used here. So let's start with the most elegant and modern approach by using the regular expression substring. If I will run this query, you can see the data whatever we are expecting we are getting. So how this query exactly working? So here if you can see here, I use the regular expression underscore substring. I use to extracting the alphabet as well the digits separately. So for this I use like that. Okay, if you see here the capital A to Z and small a to Z plus, I used here it will capturing, because it will capturing all alphabets from the beginning of the string, so that it will giving to us the city name, whatever the Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru and Kolkata, it will giving to us those information only, whatever the alphabet related it will splitting those details. And 0 to 9, if you see here, it will capturing all numeric digits. That means whatever the pin code is numeric digit is there, it will extracting those part. So for Mumbai, if you see here the Mumbai 4001, according to our table, if you see here, it will be combining and join together. Whenever we are using the regular expression underscore substring, it was splitting those value, and it picks the Mumbai and 40001 separately. So this is the very clean and readable method, and whenever we wanted to use and handle variable length cities easily, we can go for the modern advanced approach by using the regular expression underscore substring. So whenever you are this approach is not applicable for all databases. It applicable for some databases like Oracle, yeah, MySQL 8 plus, yeah, Postgres SQL. So according to that you can use. Okay, let's move to our method 2 by using substring and length. So if this is very traditional approach. Instead of using, suppose if you don't want to use the regular expression substring, you can use it the traditional approach, so that it will work in even in the database without regular expression. So we can use the combination of substring and length, and it will also giving you the same expected output. Okay, if you see here the substring means it is specifically whenever we wanted to extract the particular portion of the string, then we can using the substring. Suppose a substring and that particular string name, then after that we are giving the starting position, then after that we are giving the ending position, whatever the value we are giving. So here you can see here the city pin code is our column name. We are giving the starting position, and the length of the city pin code -6, because that particular portion we wanted to extract, so that it will the specific part it will extract everything except the last 6 character, so that it will giving to us the city name. Okay, so similarly substring city pin code -6 as pin code, so it will extracting the last 6 character, so that it will giving to us only the pin code. So this works perfectly if you know the pin code are always 6 digit. For example, if it is always 6 digit, then we can use for the -6. Okay, the similar way you can use accordingly. If there is how many numbers, based on that you can use the traditional method and compare accordingly. Okay, so if we'll see here regular expression substring and substring plus length, if we'll use so based on the method like regular expression substring and substring plus length, you can this specifically the regular expression substring function use whenever you wanted to do any kind of a pattern matching, and it is like flexibility whenever you work for variable pin code length basis, and it is very best for like whenever you are using the modern SQL engine basis. But whenever you are going to any SQL version, then the best traditional approach is substring plus length. It will supporting any kind of SQL. Okay, and it's like fixed position logic and works whenever the pin code is specifically always the 6-digit basis. Okay, you can and in the suppose you are giving the interview, you can mention both, but based on that you can use the like how we need to use the fixed way, and even in the dynamic way we how can we do the string manipulation. Okay, but sometimes the interviewer can ask you like what if the pin code is like suppose 5 digit, yeah, like 7 digit, yeah, any kind of variable is there, what you can do, then you can mention like that ki I will use regular expression underscore substring since it is automatically detects alphabet and number pattern dynamically. Okay, so this is how you can solve, and there are many more approach also there you can use for solving this solution this question. Okay, so that's it for today SQL challenge. So we learned two powerful ways to split city name and pin code from a single column. If you like this explanation, hit the like button and subscribe to Creative Mind Lab, and comment below which method you prefer, regular expression or substring, or any new approach if you know, that is also you can comment, so that even I will also learn, and we everyone will learn and grow together. See you in the next SQL challenge. Thank you.